Hello and welcome back to Vicky's Likes. If today is your first time here, my name is Virginia. My family, my friends call me Vicky. On today's recipe, I will be making some tuna patties. I've already drained the tuna. Put it here in a little bowl. I pre-chopped some celery, some onions, some garlic, carrots. Okay, we have it over here. I grated some bread, some toasted bread here. And on my bread, I'm going to put some spices. I'll be putting some onion powder, some garlic powder, some parsley flakes, just a little dash of salt, some peppercorns. Okay, let me just make this mix here. This is what I'll be coating the tuna patties with. So in the little mix that I made, which I said before, it's carrots, celery, peppers, onion and garlic. I'll be adding the tuna, and also I'll be adding some mayonnaise. Let me put the tuna. This is a quick recipe. You can put it in the oven after you make them, or like I'm gonna be doing today, I'll just be prepping them for tomorrow. So I'll be putting them in my little pan here, and when my husband's ready to eat, he'll just be putting it in the oven at 350, and he'll keep an eye on them. I would say like maybe a half hour. I'm going to start off with this good size, a tablespoon of mayonnaise. Just want to mix it well. It's a quick recipe and healthy. Filling. You could have other sides with it. You can put a salad on the side, maybe some rice or some beans. Okay, now I'm going to spice this up. I'll put a little bit of pepper in there. Pepper, that's good. I'm not going to put additional salt because the mayonnaise has salt, so that's good there. I will put some garlic powder. Season it well. Onion powder. And some more of the parsley here. Let's put a little bit more. Okay. Mix this little guy up well. You can also add some corn. You can add some green peas. I'm going to see if I can make 4 little patties. I'm making it in the oven. Reason is to not fry them. We don't really like having fried food. If we ever have something fried, it's only if we go to a restaurant and we might order French fries or fried yuca, or tostones, which is the fried plantains. But at the house, I never fry anything. I don't like the smell of fried food, nor do I like frying food. So those are the only things that we actually do eat fried. All right, stick this little guy here. Make my first one. Cover him up with the breadcrumbs that I've made. And as you're making them, just squash them a little bit. You know, you're gonna just flatten them down just a bit. Okay, next one. I do think that 4 will come out perfect for that size. This was 1 can of tuna. Oh, this one's giving me a little bit of a hard time. I think I'm gonna just have to grab it with my hands. There. Okay. So I have 2 here. I'll be putting my other 2 here. This is my last little one here. I made my breadcrumbs with some toasted bread, white toasted bread, and then I put the little spices on it just to give it flavor. I know that they sell breadcrumbs, but I don't like it when it has so many ingredients in there. Here you go. 4 patties. When you put it in the oven, remember at 350 for about 30 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. You can flip them once one side might be toasted. You don't want the bottom to get burned as well. I have my pans lined with the parchment paper. Like I said, today I'm not going to be putting it in the oven because I'm making it for tomorrow for my husband. Thank you for watching this short video of tuna patties. Please stay tuned for other videos, and please leave a comment, put a like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Thank you to all the subscribers.